Good morning, brothers. Welcome to a Brown Bag Gentleman, showing you something a little different today. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen. I'm not in the bathroom doing shaving. I've already shaved today. Out of work this week. Took a week off to do a little work in the kitchen here, so I figured I'd show you that. So yeah, I'm kneeling on the kitchen floor here because I wanted to show you the reason for my little light remodeling I'm doing. In front of the refrigerator, you'll see the floor is all buckled and all that. That's because the old refrigerator had a water leakage problem with the ice maker and all that, and basically destroyed the floor. So yeah, we got the new refrigerator, but it's time for the new floor. So yeah, stand up, show you what I've been doing so far. So kitchen cabinet has been removed from that side. There's a pantry cabinet that goes right here beside the refrigerator, and that's been removed. And of course, I've removed the cabinet on the other side of the stove. Stove, you see, is pulled out a little bit because I'm going to remove that tomorrow. So yeah, the stove's coming out tomorrow. And then the rest of the cabinets I'm actually going to work around. So the cabinet for the sink and the dishwasher, they're staying. So yeah, so I don't have to remove those two because that would be the hardest part. I'm going to cut the flooring across ways with a little specialty floor saw I have. And then of course I will put a little quarter moon over top of that, so you'll never even notice the difference. But the rest of it, the floor cabinets are just because it makes laying the floor easier and faster. So just thought you'd like to see the before, and I'll try to remember to do an after. That's all for now. Go with God.